Sydney welcomes you to Be Along Zetland Student Housing Accommodation, which is a perfect fit for students planning to pursue education with a pinch of adventure in it. Be Along Zetland offers you private rooms and en-suites to adjust to. Students willing to live alone to get that extra focus in their studies can opt for studio apartments with a private bedroom, a private bathroom, and a private kitchen. All of them welcome you with a comfortable bed, a desk and a chair, a sofa, an oven, a fridge, a dryer, a dining table set in the living room, and a spacious wardrobe in your bedroom to keep your belongings safe and organized. You do get a shared modular kitchen in the en-suites. Moreover, you can stay on top of your fitness goals with an equipped gym and a lovely swimming pool. The Taylor College, Sydney Film School, and the well-renowned Hillsong International Leadership College are just a short walk from the residence. For a rough day at college, places like Centennial Park, Sydney Park, and Powerhouse Museum could be the best to give a happy ending. The locality is filled with top-rated pubs such as Village Crown, and Bar Cleveland is ideal for hanging out and cheering up with your friends. So don't think twice, seal the deal by visiting amberstudent.com now.